Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem employee names taken from HackerRank. The problem we'll solve using the knowledge that we have gained in the last lecture of MySQL DQL series, in which we have studied order by limit operators, right, and things like that. So let's see what the problem statement says and let's see how we are going to solve it. So, you see, this is the problem statement. Write a query that prints the list of employee names. So we have to print the name of the employees, and here's the table. The table contains employee ID, name, months, and salary. We only have to print the name. All right. So write a query that prints a list of the employee names from the employee table in alphabetical order. Now we don't just have to print it, but we have to print it in a specific order, right? And in order of what? Their names in alphabetical order. That means in the ascending order, right? So if you go ahead, select the MySQL dialect, let's delete that. So we only have to print the name of the employee. So what we'll do? So we only have to select name from employee table. So EMPLOYEE. So select name from employee. Now this will print the names of the employees, right? But in random order. We don't want that. According to the problem, we have to print the name of the employees in increasing order, of the basically alphabetical order, right? And alphabetical order means ascending order of their name. So what we are going to do? We are going to use the order by operator. So order by what? By name field in the ascending order, right? You can write either ASC or you can completely leave it as it is, because by default it orders them in the increasing order, right? So we are still going to write ASC, which is a good practice. So if you run it, we should get a correct answer, right? Sometimes it takes a lot of time. So okay, it's processing. Select name from employees, order by name, like this. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Yeah, the test case passes, so we can submit the code. So let's submit it, and there's only one test case. Hopefully this passes. All right. Okay. Yeah. So it passes. All right. So this is how you can print the name of the employees in the ascending order of their names, right? Alphabetical order. And as you can see here, we have utilized order by that we have studied in the last lecture. All right. So yeah, this is it for this lecture, and till the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.